I stand near the front door and get ready to go out.
Welcome home. I hope you had a good day today. It's nice to see you. I take my keys from the table.
I check my bag before I leave. I put my keys into my bag. I think I will wear these today. They match the weather outside. I put on my shoes slowly. I tie my shoes carefully. I stand up slowly. I put on my jacket before I leave. I close my jacket zipper. I take a deep breath. I breathe out slowly and feel calm.
Here we are. I am so glad you could make it today. Welcome. It's so good to see you. Please come inside.
I look outside calmly.
I step outside the house.
Emma closed the door softly behind her. It was a beautiful evening, and she felt very peaceful. I smile softly and feel ready. Now I am ready to go on with my day.
I walk slowly down the path.
It is nice here. The houses look very cozy, and the trees are beautiful. I look up at the sky.
I smile and enjoy the fresh air.
I take a deep breath outside. I breathe out slowly and feel relaxed.
I walk past a small tree.
I listen to the sounds around me.
I pause for a moment.
I look ahead and keep walking.
It is so nice to walk here. The sun is warm and the flowers are very pretty today.
I see a bird near me.
What a lovely day for a visit, Mr. Cardinal.
I continue walking calmly.
I stop near the crossing. I look left and right carefully.
I cross the street slowly.
I reach the other side safely. I relax my shoulders. Oh. I smile softly again. I continue walking forward.
I see flowers near the path.
I look at the flowers closely. I stand quietly for a moment. I take another deep breath. I breathe out slowly and feel peaceful.
I walk past a bench.
I see people in the distance.
I keep walking calmly.
I pause near the corner.
I look around calmly.
I nod softly and continue. I walk forward again. I slow my steps and relax. I smile gently. I smile gently. I look ahead again. I walk toward my destination. I slow down near the end. I pause calmly and feel ready. Now I am ready to continue my day outside.